If you go camping, if you go on road trips, if you have a family, or it's just you, this is the one accessory I want you to pay attention to, especially for the Model Y, that solves a problem and doubles the utility of your Tesla. Let's review my favorite accessory. Let's check it out. Summer is here, and so are the very hot temperatures. If you're someone running around doing errands, maybe with a kiddo in the back seat, or if you like to go to the big game and tailgate, there are so many uses for this really cool Model Y accessory for your sub trunk. It's the one-of-a-kind, first ever built, check this out, a freezer fridge combo. It works well. There are so many features. You'll love it. If you like tech, let's get into it. Did you know that on average, a cooler full of ice might stay cold for maybe 1 or 2 hours, especially in the hot summer temperatures? Or if you put ice in the frunk of your Tesla, it's going to melt very quickly. Typical coolers take up a lot of that valuable storage space in your Model Y. Well, there is a solution. This new fridge freezer combo sold by Cherry Industrial is one of a kind and the only one made custom for the Tesla. The problem, did you know that even though your Tesla has camp mode, if you're a camper or you take your Tesla on the road, this is not going to cool your Tesla to cold enough temperatures while keeping you comfortable to make food stay fresh longer. The solution, this fridge freezer combo. The problem, I'm running errands and I'm not going to make it home in time to store my frozen goods. This solves the problem. And number 3, I love going to the big game, but if my Tesla is already full on storage, I have nowhere to store my cold drinks. Well, this fridge freezer combo holds up to 48 cans or 29 of those larger plastic soda bottles. So this will give you plenty of storage for all of your favorite beverages. First, we're going to talk about the uses of this product. There's a lot more than what you might initially think. Number 2, we're going to talk about the price, where to buy it, and some of the specs of this product as a whole. And then number 3, I'm going to install this and show you a real review of the quality, of the uses, and everything to do with this product being in use in your Model Y. Let's get into it. Did you know that this product not only works exceptionally well, it is whisper quiet, literally. We're going to get into that in a second. It's shockingly quiet. But let's go over some of the technical specs of this product. It holds up to 35 quarts of whatever you want to put in it, and it keeps those products cold because of a 2-inch layer of insulation. You're going to double the utility and the function of your Model Y because it is custom fit for your under trunk, that sub trunk compartment of your Model Y. It uses your Tesla's battery as power to keep those drinks nice and cold. And get this, you're going to double the utility of the product as a whole because you can remove it and it'll still work as a freezer fridge combo outside of your Tesla. Did you know that the interior of your Tesla can get as hot as well over 100 degrees? And much like the Tesla, where you can control that temperature through your app, you can also control that temperature remotely through this app. But get this, it cools your food and beverages from 50 degrees down to -4 in just 30 minutes. By the way, they have a really cool Instagram page. Check it out. Again, Cherry Industrial. And this product has a 4.71 out of 5 based on customers just like you. So don't take my word for it. It has an exceptional rating, which is the reason I am recommending this. But listen to this. The one thing I will say is once it's full of ice, it does get a little heavy, and that's because of that 2-inch of insulation. So it's kind of a give and take. It keeps your drinks cold, but once you load it up with a few cans, it can get a little heavy to lift out of your Tesla. So I would definitely recommend first emptying it and then loading it once you have it in that final place. So it's kind of like a 2-in-1 product. You can see I put this ice in hours ago and it's still rock solid, where your typical cooler is going to melt eventually. So if you're moving it from your Tesla to a picnic, you can count on that ice and your drinks staying cold. So how much does it cost? Well, consider this. After a few months of charging your Tesla and the savings that you get from charging versus gas, that alone is going to pay for itself. Then add on all the savings from your oil changes, not having to do those any longer as a Tesla owner. You can buy this product on their Amazon page. This is a one-time purchase, and the best part, the thing that I love about this product, I do not want to recommend anything that doesn't have a rock solid warranty. You get a 1-year free replacement warranty under Cherry Industrial. The one thing I do like about this product that's unique to this design is a typical cooler will only give you one handle, which can make it difficult to navigate. Well, this one gives you 2 secure, well-designed handles that makes it super easy to lift and maneuver. And again, this is a high quality finish. It's a leather type of handle, so not only are they secure, they look cool as well. Some quick thoughts on the app. It could not be easier. Check this out. So I downloaded the app, and I'm not sure if you can see here, it says 33 degrees. It's kind of hard to see with the sun and the screen, but the app immediately connected via Bluetooth to this device, and I can now control it remotely through my phone. It's truly plug and play. As soon as I plugged it in, there was power. This is your on and off switch, your settings, and here's your temperature, which you can manually do or again control through the app. Cleanup is super easy because of this 2-handle design. So all you have to do is open your cooler freezer, use this handle to tilt it on the side. You can simply wipe out the ice that way. It couldn't be easier. Compatibility. So this will work with the newest Model Ys, any Model Y from the year 2021 or newer. The cool thing is you're going to get a discount with using my discount code FRUNK2TRUNK. Again, a highly rated product, a one-time purchase, and because you're watching this video, you're going to save even more money. This uses the plug in the back of your Tesla. It couldn't be easier. It's truly plug and play. This piece connects to the back of your fridge freezer, and this goes right in the trunk where the outlet is. So if you're unaware, it's right here in your Model Y. You simply flip that open, connect, and now you have power. Did you know that when it comes to Tesla storage, when addressing the frunk storage, Tesla owners out of 200 plus votes have said 43% of the time they rarely use the frunk and then have a high usage of the trunk. Now think about how much you use that sub trunk. Well, probably not very often. In fact, I use my sub trunk even less frequently than my frunk and less frequently than the actual trunk storage. So it's likely you have this space available. So let's get into it. This device is literally as quiet as a library, only 45 decibels. Let's see if you can hear the fan. You can barely hear the fan, but it is spinning. That is turned on as the device gets cooler and cooler. And this is safe to put in your trunk and ventilates as well. So this is a great product working already. They give you everything you need from the setup to how to use the settings and more. It couldn't be easier. It's spelled out step by step. If you would like to learn more about this product, I'll make sure to put that Amazon listing down in the video's description. And make sure if you do purchase it, save money by using my discount code FRUNK2TRUNK. Let's get on to the next point. Now you're going to be all set for summer. You're going to have everything you need for those errands, those camping trips, or those big games. Especially with the summertime heat getting hotter and hotter, this is the only designed custom fridge and freezer for your Tesla that'll keep your drinks icy cold. The only way I know that you're out there watching and you like this video is to drop a like. Consider subscribing for more product reviews and Tesla news. As always, this is Matt from FRUNK2TRUNK. We will see you in the next video.